just landed in Calgary. I don't know where to go, but I'll figure it out. I'm just following the crowd right now. Janine is outside waiting for me. Woohoo! We got some Wingstop. Fry.
Oh, thank God. We're gonna try it together.
Try it. Fries. We got Cajun and we got 6 original. Which one should I? Okay, I'm gonna do TikTok first. Valid. Okay, bussin'.
Try the tenders.
What's the tenders? Are they not the same? Wait, they're actually bussin'. Why?
Can I try one of yours?
Yeah, of course. I think it's just hitting because we're hungry. Okay, Janine, what are we feeling right now? Sleepy. Go.
Hi guys.
What you gonna say to the vlog? Where are we at, first of all?
7-Eleven.
Why are we here?
We're hiking. I feel great. Well, why are you smushing her sandwich like that?
Why is it so saggy?
What?
Your bag's so saggy.
And snacks, so I have to get rid of them all.
Vlog.
What? I feel like a mom right now.
Oh my god. That's not real. Okay, go. Get a Brazilian. Get Brazilian. This must be heaven. Done. Just for the vlog. Ooh. Oh my gosh, no, the exposure's so bad.
Yeah, I know. We are going up now.
Where are we looking? It's over there. Oh my gosh. A little update to our hike. My watch is not accurate, but we've been hiking for about an hour and a half now. Rhea and friends are going quite fast. It's just absolutely unreal. And we don't ever get this opportunity to witness this, right? So just take it all in. Like, what the heck? It's like the beauty that Winnipeg doesn't have. I don't know the lyrics. The Filipinos in their natural habitat. Come get them. You got it. She good. You got it. Say what's say Yahoo!
That was when we were leaving. Okay. Wow. That wasn't me at all. Yeah.
I'm judging by the smile that's written on his face. There's nothing I can do.
You can't see it from there, but if you're from here, you can see it. Can you see it, Akka? Come here. Come here.
Did you guys see my workout? Yeah. My workout before my...
Oh. So cute, so cute.
We made it.
Oh, fucking hell. 7 out of 10. Like tired? Difficulty. Yeah.
7 out of 10. How about you?
For me at least. I would say it's... You know what? 6. I think a 5 for me. 5 or 4. But I've also done like harder hikes.
Yeah.
So it's not...
This is my first hike.
Okay,
Yes.
how was it?
Difficulty 8 out of 10 for sure.
Very good.
But I would do it again.
Nice. We made it to the tea house, which is just a little bit of a treat before you go to the peak. But we aren't planning to go to the peak, right?
Are we?
We're not. Good hike. We pushed through and good views. How are you feeling, Janine?
Really good.
Nice.
I am happy.
I'm living. It's just nice for non-profits. Hi guys.
We're just gonna eat now.
Yeah.
We're at the top. Dawn went back.
Yeah.
We're at the tea house.
Oh my gosh. What am I saying?
I'ma touch the sky.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm gonna touch the sky. I'm becoming a hiking princess. Jules carried my backpack for me. I couldn't take it anymore.
I just keep reminding myself that I've gone through worse.
This is my worst.
Okay, guys, we just finished our hike and we're back at Lake Louise.
It was hard.
It was hard, yeah. Perfect hike, honestly. Like a good 6-hour hike. That's valid rating. What's your rating?
Like, good overall?
Yes.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
10
That's
out.
so beautiful.
Yeah. 10 out of 10 for me. The pain was totally worth it. Last little look on the famous Lake Louise. For your guys' rate on the hike.
Oh, I think what now?
Okay. 2.5. How about you?
Like difficulty or
Just like overall. Yeah.
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. How about you?
I'll say 8.
Oh, okay, that's crazy because me and Janine said 10.
Oh, that time. I didn't know if that was like too high.
Oh, okay.
I'll say 10.
Oh, it's focusing on the crack. Today we're gonna go to the zoo. Janine, is this your first time?
Yes.
First time as well, so we're gonna enjoy it so much. We're gonna try our meal. You ate it? Ate it? Oh, she ate it. She loves it though, right? We just finished our brunch. Where did we go again? Komarobi or something?
Yeah.
It's like this Asian fusion brunch. Yeah. Okay guys, we made it to the zoo. We are just starting now. Not too sure where to go. It's kind of overwhelming. Wow, Lucy, look how much big now. He's big. Oh, hello. Oh. My knees are hurting. Miniature baby. Oh.
Locked up and all the people coming. Perfect. Free food for life.
It's a wildlife. They must have some hiking doors there, but that was.
You're frozen in a line.
Sleepy guy. How did you feel about that?
It was really fun.
All the animals were so happy and awake. I was like, there's like a few animals that I really wanted to see, which one was the giraffe, like any of the big cats. The hippo was one. Our feet hurt because it was like pretty much another hike without proper shoes. Yeah.
How long were we there for?
Like 2.5 hours. You're right.
And there's a sea of tires.
Whose big head is that? Oh, the famous big head. Why does it got back folds? Oh, the ear? We're pointing at the ear. Oh, there's Barbella.
Yeah, that's the community marketing there.
It looks busy AF. Anyways, we're like the heart of downtown and so many cowboys.
Yeah.
She's hungry. I'm hungry too. Honestly, after that walk, definitely need some food in my tummy. Oh, this ain't Texas. You actually look good in it because your hair is flowy. It fits perfectly.
Yeah.
Perfect, perfect.
Right down that way.
Okay, so looking for a restaurant did not work out. Everything is packed because of Stampede. We made it to the core mall. Well, we were here earlier, but the food court's closing and we just bumped into this pastry place called Le Moulin. You got a puff thing and then some cheesecake. And then I got a cinnamon bun. Oh no! And then we made it to the mall and we're gonna do a bit of shopping. We're at the Chinook. Where did we end up buying our outfits? A white skirt. And then we're still looking for a top for you. Okay, and then for me I got a long sleeve and some light pants.
Welcome to our self-checkout. Please stop to move cart and scan.
You're so funny.
Scan your items now.
Why? Okay, our meals are here.
We're twinning.
Oh yeah. Oh. Are you excited? Yes. Okay, try a fry. Oh, your hand's glowing. Delish? You guys ever come to Calgary? Get the butternut squash pasta.
How would you rate it?
10 out of 10. Oh my god. Good morning, YouTube. Moraine Lake, yeah. We were supposed to go, but the parking was too crazy. So we made it to Emerald Lake. Cool enough. It's in BC. So long, Alberta. Hello, beautiful BC. It's my home.
Did you just show a garbage can?
Oh shit.
there's a trail
I'm running on no food,
that
no
way.
water. Lots of sleep though.
Outside of the
Yeah. Period. Let's go swimming.
Here's more huggies.
I want to go biking. No, it won't. Not this time. Is that the right way?
But that's why it's so vlogging. You want to do a little vlog?
Here you go. Oh my.
Oh my.
It's facing. You can face me. So, check it out. I'm gonna live up there one day.
How would you rate Emerald Lake?
This area, I like the fact that it's not busy. There is a lot of people, but it's a good view. They all look naturey to me, so I'm having a good time.
I like the greenery on the mountains.
Yeah.
It's a little bit different from like the leaves.
As the day goes on, it does get busier, but we're good, we're good. We got parking. We got good parking. If you know, you know.
This girl.
Without proper shoes, it's so scary.
Yeah, really?
You have to wear like really big grippy shoes.
I know, they're wearing like runners, and I'm like, oh my god. So we are at the natural bridge at Yoho National Park. It's kind of like a whitewater rushing river. This is what it looks like. Is it recorded? Yeah.
Wow, that's such a pretty floor.
You gotta go face it upwards.
Face it out.
Not the ground.
Higher, higher.
There you
go. There you go. Wow.
Watch your step though.
Okay.
It's gonna be a step. Okay, we finally made it to Banff. This is one thing that Janine really wanted to do, is go to the village and just walk around. Maybe we could go say hi to Dana while we're at it. Where are we at?
Banff.
Banff, yeah. Look. Doesn't look much different. Oh, and this little vlogger. Okay guys, we are at Inaho.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we are at Inaho in Banff. We went to visit Lululemon, and our old manager was there, and she recommended this place. So yeah, I got birria tacos, just keeping it simple. But for sure, we just need some food in our system, and then hopefully we can finish our food very quickly, so then we can go around the village as much as we can. And then this is gonna be my last day with Janine. How do you feel about that? Sad, but I'm excited for you. Yeah. She's also excited to go home. She's got a lot of stuff in her plate. Okay. Period. Period.
I'm excited.
Yeah, I know, we haven't eaten in a minute. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, that's right, because I had to figure out how to do that. I'm so sorry.
So good, guys. Recommend. Just to remind you guys, this is someone's everyday view working here.
I know.
Oh, just taking a little bit of rest here. How are you feeling, Janine? It's gorgeous, and the weather's so nice. Like, we've been blessed with perfect weather for the past few days. I'm blessed. We're so blessed to have this weather and feel hot instead of wet or cold. We're gonna continue a little bit more shopping. I think I'm gonna grab a sweet treat before we leave, and then we're gonna head out because we gotta go drive back. Janine's gotta go, I gotta go to the hostels. Okay, we got
I have to send a couple text
gelato.
messages once we get there. I didn't care.
Now I know how to get you in a better mood.
I was not in a bad mood.
No, like when you get drained, you just need chocolate.
Yeah, most definitely. There you go. Say bye, Bam. Hey guys. So I am here at my hostel. No one's here right now, but I can't wait to meet everyone. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. I think I'm gonna walk around. Yeah, so I just got a really nice bottom bunk. There's not a lot of people here. Like, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including me in a 10 bed. I think I'm gonna go out and grab some dinner on my own, first time solo. So we are at, I think it's called Thai Bistro here in Chinatown, very close to the hostel actually. And this is what I ordered. I got red Thai curry and then a side of rice. Oh yeah. And it's the spot because I am hungry. Hope you guys are enjoying my vlog so far. These are bamboo. I just finished eating and now I'm just like walking around downtown. Right now I'm just by this river. You know what, I'm not too sure what it's called, but the park that I'm at right now is like a little past Chinatown. Sian Lok Park, and it's like right beside the river and there's like a bridge over there. Anyways, I'm gonna make it back to the hostel. I'm gonna go charge my phone and I'm just gonna take a chill night, journal a little bit, and draw maybe, because I did bring drawing stuff. Anyways, okay, bye. Good morning, YouTube. It is 10:16 a.m. I just left my hostel. I ate breakfast at the hostel. I just ate some toast. Nothing too crazy with the breakfast. I think I also came in a little too late. I grabbed myself a e-scooter and I'm back at that park. So I was just at that park yesterday. I'm back here because I'm gonna go scoot to the climbing gym. I haven't even scooted like a kilometer yet, and I had to stop here because look at this view. Like, what? I'm still on my scooter, but I had to stop to look at this view. I am so blessed. I'm so grateful for my life. I can even see the, I believe that is called the Peace Bridge. I'm gonna see if I could rent a bike later after climbing, and I'm just gonna bike around. I did not expect the ride to be that expensive, but it ended up being $14 just for that little ride. I could have just Ubered, but it was a nice experience, and honestly I'd do it again. I would just have to be a little bit more diligent with where I'm going and to pause it when I was paused. I went to Shoppers to buy some snackies. I'll just give you guys a little haul on what I got. For snacks, I bought these pretzels. I got mangoes. These were from the hike, and I think they're all mushed together, so there's that. And I bought a Red Bull. I did bring my drawing stuff, so I might do that while I'm here, because I am waiting for my friend to get to the gym, to the climbing gym. And then I also bought some like itching cream because I got bit by a freaking mosquito. Yeah. So far I'm really enjoying my time here. Like, for some reason I feel like I already belong. It's so beautiful here, guys. Like, I've never actually like acknowledged Calgary until now. Like, I've been here before, but I barely had time to do these type of things where I'm just like walking around the neighborhood and just like looking at the city. What's up, Gila?
We're gonna do kilter and move board today. Hopefully we don't shut out, but I feel like we will.
Hi, folks, my name's Gabe. We're just getting on the coach board. Got my shoes ready. Gila's getting ready. Got all we need. I've got some chalk.
Got some chalk.
Oh, do we have chalk? I didn't even ask. Okay, period. Yeah, do the work on.
Hi vlog.
Look who made it!
Welcome to Jules, to Alberta. I'm trying to convince her to live here with me someday, so
Someday.
I think it's working.
I think it's working too. And this guy's body is hating him.
But it's still body tea though.
Oh, body tea for sure, for sure. Oh shit. Oh, so close. Yeah, actually it does.
No, it's so funny though. It's literally my fault.
Okay, my turn, let's see.
Pretty. Can you? Yeah, you can. Swing it. Trust in yourself, man. She said. Yes, you can.
Reach for that, reach for it. There. Think you can? Just swing into it. How about swing into it? Oh. Yeah. Oh. Can you do like a, what is a death drop on the mat? Why? You don't know how to make. Oh, you're okay. You can't vogue. You can't vogue. We were too hungry, so we didn't get to record our meal. Okay, sexy boy. We're at, what's this place called again?
It's called Tokyo Street Market.
Tokyo Street Market. Just enjoying the weather. It was raining earlier, so that's kind of weird. And then we freaking Ubered here, 10 minutes away. Lawrence is just telling me some stories about his days here. How did you fly in again?
Hmm?
What time did you fly in?
I flew in July. You good?
Okay guys, I made it to Prince Island Park. It is so lively here. Not too sure what's happening. I think there's a music festival going on. I'm not too sure if it's related to Stampede or not, but everyone's also wearing cowboy gear. Sorry if I look really sweaty. It was quite a walk. It was like a 30-minute walk from my hostel. I also did some detours because I was craving ice cream, so I was gonna walk around with my ice cream and find a cute spot near the area. But And it's really loud over there. I don't know if you can hear it. And it's really hot. I actually don't know where the Stampede grounds are. What if it is here? I don't think so, actually. Okay, it's nowhere near where I am, so it might just be another festival. Yeah, I was thinking of just staying out until like 10 o'clock. To stay at the park. I genuinely did not think it was gonna be this loud here. I was really hoping that it wasn't, because I wanted to just have a chill time. It's honestly all good though, because it's like nice to see a lot of people and just kind of be part of the crowd. I actually am in like Peace Park or whatever. I might be near the bridge, so we can go get going, see what we will hit. It is gonna be a little sunnier now, so I hope it isn't too bad. Not too sure what's going on over here. A little sing-along session. Dance circle, maybe? And there's a Peace Bridge. I didn't actually know I was this close to it.
Hey, well, let me put it.
It's for YouTube.
Let me put it at it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, just him, I got it. What's up?
What's good?
You enjoying the music?
I enjoy it. What's your name?
My name's Andy.
What you do?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah. Okay, say bye.
Yo,
No.
no. What do you mean running?
No,
What do you mean running? The problem is like you're gonna climb it. What you mean gonna run? You're gonna get a fuelie? That means hard. You're gonna get dirty.
Hey,
okay,
you a rapper?
You come on, I'm telling you, I'm not rapping. Boom.
What's your
So
name?
You get it right at me?
Yeah.
Rastaman. Bye-bye.
Okay, period. Yeah, I got you. Interesting. Now, if that was at night, I wouldn't have done anything. I probably would have ran. Period. There's ice cream sandwiches. I should have waited for that. Anyways, here's the Peace Bridge. So much for peace, am I right? Anyways, that was really weird. I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream while I walk through this place. Oh my god. Almost died.
That sounds great.
Guys, I came back to the Thai bistro because I walked past it and I was like, maybe I should grab a snack, and so I bought mango sticky rice. I think the plate's just really big or the portions are really small, but okay, I just finished my quick little snack. It is raining, so I think this will be a goodbye for this day. Tomorrow I will be waking up early to go to Drumheller and grab my car rental. So I'm just gonna see you. I believe this is the core mall. Janine and I were here already, but we didn't have time to check out the gardens, so I'm gonna go check it out today. This is my last not full day, but it's my last day here. And I leave at 8 tonight, so I gotta get to the airport around 6. I did leave my bags at the hostels, so I gotta go pick those up, then Uber to the airport. All of this is inside a mall. Crazy. Is there fishies in here? There's some places that says that they have fish in here, but I don't see anything. There's fishies. There. not koi, are they? Wait. No, those look like goldfish. There's a hippo. Hey guys, so I honestly don't know where I'm at right now, but I found the Mari bake shop, pastry store, and I got the monkey bread and the strawberry cream puff. Another sweet treat. Here is ice cream from the Village ice cream, I believe, and I got the melted chocolate. Oh shit, it's sunny now. Anyways, I'm gonna try it. I'm just like walking around downtown. I seen this on TikTok one time, so I'm just like, oh, it's quite a walk. I'll just might as well try it while I'm here. So let's try it. Delish. Really rich and creamy. If you guys already didn't know, I'm obsessed with chocolate ice cream, so I'm gonna try to find a park nearby just because my phone's about to die, so I can't really do much with it right now. So I'm just gonna sit at a park maybe. Okay, see you there. Oh, look who I found in the wild.
All the way from España.
Oh, in España. And we're gonna take, what do you guys call it here?
The sea train.
Sea train, okay. We're gonna take a sea train and we're gonna go to a cafe. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know there's so much people in these trains.
Maybe like a sandwich.
Alrighty, we are at Ansem. I've got the strawberry dulce latte. This is JLo's. It's a avocado bagel.
Smashed
avocado, and then
this is a rose age. It's sort of like a lemonade.
A lemonade. Yeah.
Lemonade in your latte.
Damn.
Try it. So good.
Sweet.
Yeah. It's so refreshing. I needed it. Yeah. I need it for the summer. For the hot
dessert drink.
Girls. Hello, baby.
Let's see. Oh, he just went to say hi. What a cutie.
Bye, Jules. Have a safe flight home.
We're Ubering to the airport. So, yeah. What about you? What you doing tonight?
I'm Ubering home. Gonna do some laundry and then keep the party going.
Period. Okay, where's my whip at? Oh, he's turning in right now. Okay. Bye, guys.